This election frenzy all around. And with a record number of first-time voters exercising their right to choose a government which will meet their growing aspirations, as a young climate action company, we at Climatora thought of collating the various environmental commitments that the principal parties have made in their election manifestos. Why? Because it's time we vote for issues that affects all of us, beyond our individual beliefs and ideologies. Because that is what is going to determine our future and our future generations' lives significantly. And also because it's high time climate action becomes a part of every day at every place for everybody. So here it is, a voter's guide for a quick read before you step out to press the EVM button. Happy voting, everyone.